Here is our question. As I have solved this question, so I have marked the options, right options. Here MD means monotonically decreasing, MI means monotonically increasing. Let us see the solution of this problem. Here we have 2Sn plus 1 is equal to Sn square plus 3 by 4. So 2s2 will be s1 square plus 3 by 4. We got this equation putting n equals to 1. Now in the question it is given that this equation has two solutions. Since this is a quadratic equation, alpha and beta are its roots. Let us find. You can find very easy. Alpha to be half and beta to be 3 by 2. Now it is given that S1 lies between alpha and beta. This means that S1 lies in this interval, half 3 by 2. So S1 square will lie 1 by 4 to 9 by 4. Now S1 square plus 3 by 4, adding 3 by 4 in both we have 1, 3. Now at the place of this we can write 2s2. 2s2 will lie inside this interval. This means that s2 will lie inside 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. You see that s1, the same interval. This means that s1 s2 lie in the same interval. In this way you can say that all the terms s1 s2 sn all the terms lie in this interval, in the same interval. Now so Sn is bounded. Sn is bounded. Now writing this equation again, we have 2Sn plus 1 equals to Sn square plus 3 by 4. Putting n equals to n minus 1, we have 2Sn equals to Sn minus 1 square plus 3 by 4. Subtracting these two, we have 2Sn plus 1 minus Sn equals to Sn square minus Sn minus 1 square. This equation confirms that Sn is monotonic. Now there are two types of monotonic equations we know, a monotonic sequence we know. One is monotonically increasing, other is monotonically decreasing. So we can differentiate taking an example. You know that S1 lies half to 3 by 2. Here you see the same thing. So we can take an example. Suppose S1 is root 3 by 2. Obviously this lies in this interval 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Putting this value in this equation, we have 2s2 equals to 6 by 4. This means that s2 is 3 by 4, and we know that root 3 by 2 is less than 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater, so the sequence is monotonically increasing. So B is correct. Now since monotonic and here you saw bounded monotonic and bounded sequence is convergent, so we can find the limits putting at the place of Sn plus 1 and Sn at the both places we can put L, and thus this equation will be same as this equation, and we found the roots as 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Since this sequence is monotonically increasing, so it will take the larger value, that means 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is beta, so here lim n tends to infinity Sn will be equal to beta, so D is also correct.